Hey, I'm Shane. This is Wood and Fire Barbecue. Welcome to the channel. Today, I got an easy one for you that's really delicious. Let's make some fire roasted salsa. So this is a quick salsa. I do this almost weekly now. What you got is some tomatillas, some Roma tomatoes, some serranos. You've got an onion, and then lime. I like to use this. You like to use garlic powder and this hardcore carnivore chili lime seasoning, along with a little bit of salt and pepper, and it's perfect. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take these husks off of the tomatillas. So if you're unfamiliar with what a tomatilla is, it is like a spicy, mildly spicy green tomato. Next, cut your onion into big wedges. All right, so we got everything cleaned up. Got my wedges of onion, got my serranos, got my husks pulled off of the tomatillas, and the Romas. So let's head out to the grill. All right, so all you do, throw them on. What I'm looking to do is get a little bit of char on these, which does not take long. All right, you can see that the skins on the Romas are starting to peel back. I usually remove the skins, it's just how I like it. I'm just taking these tomatillas until they get a little soft. And I usually use, I like char. That's really the sign of a real fire roasted salsa. You can remove all of the char if you don't like that. That is completely up to you. What I will do with these serranos, once they are pretty well blackened, I'm gonna let them sweat out in the bag. I'm gonna be able to remove the skins. As I say, I'm just trying to get a little bit of extra flavor onto this stuff. I'm not trying to burn it or cook it until it's just mush. So we're almost done, and then we're gonna take these back inside and we are going to throw them in the blender. All right, let's see how it did. Time to get a taste. All right. The serranos are kicking. Oh, I like that a lot. So this is a really quick and easy way to make some salsa. The fire roasting just brings another level of flavor. So I highly recommend you give this a shot. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. So get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today. I'll catch you next time.